we'll guide you through how to trade with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT section. You'll see an interface where you can interact with ChatGPT for various tasks, including trading assistance. To get started, you need to input your trading-related query. You can ask ChatGPT about current market trends, request analysis on specific stocks, or even ask for trading strategies. Remember, ChatGPT is a language model, so it won't provide real-time data but can offer insights based on historical and theoretical knowledge. For instance, if you're interested in tech stocks, you can type, "What are some potential trends in tech stocks for 2026?" ChatGPT will generate a detailed response based on available data up to 2023. It's a great way to gather information and perspectives to aid in your trading decisions. You can also ask for explanations on complex terms or strategies if you're new to trading. Just type your question in the chat box and wait for ChatGPT to process and respond to your query. To maximize the usefulness of ChatGPT, try to be as specific as possible with your questions. This will help ChatGPT provide you with more tailored and relevant information. Don't forget that while ChatGPT can assist with analysis, it's always good to verify information with other reliable sources before making any trading decisions. And that's how you can leverage ChatGPT for trading insights. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.